Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for work from home, as well as we'll share with you the experienced job opportunities. And before we move on that, let me tell you about the call that you can book with me. And it will be 1:1 call in which we are going to assist you with respect to the career guidance. So if you're not getting calls from the company, if you are not knowing what to do to get a job in 2026, which skills you need to learn, or let's say if you're not having an idea that how you can get more calls from the company, how you can crack the interviews, what kind of agentic AI tools that you should learn. So all of these things will be covering up for you. Okay. So this is a 1:1 career guidance call for QA for automation testers that you can book with us. And we would be happy to assist you. And this will not be recorded. It will be a 1:1 call in which you can share all the things that you would like to get a clarity about. Okay. So you can book this call anytime as per your convenience. Okay. Now, let me tell you about the job opportunities. Okay. So there are multiple job opportunities. So first of all, let me share with you the QA lead role. So, yeah. So this is a QA lead opportunity. So Deep Tech is looking for an experienced QA lead, and you should have 7 to 10 years of experience, and you should have exposure to performance testing tools such as JMeter, K6, or Locust. And you should also have the exposure to security testing, OWASP, Top 10, SEST, and DAST, and test management tools, right? These all things are required. So you can send your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a Playwright testing Bangalore-based location in Chennai, India at Cognizant. So you can apply to this link. So all the links and the details will be shared in the first comment of the video after the video is available. Okay. So QA engineer, then there is a requirement for a QA engineer. 2 to 4 years of experience is required in the field of software testing, and strong understanding of QA methodologies and testing best practices are required. Hands-on experience in test case design, test execution, and defect tracking is required. AdTech domain would be a plus point here, and only those who can fulfill the requirements are requested to send the following details, right? Notice period, current CTC, expected CTC. Then Capgemini is hiring for platform test lead, DevOps plus automation tester. See, these days there is a lot of requirement for DevOps. So if you know DevOps, it would be very much beneficial for you. Okay. Experience required is 9+ years. And the skill set is test strategy, governance and release readiness, integration and data platform testing, test automation, DevOps, CI/CD. All of these things are required, right? So you can share your CV at this email address with expected CTC, current CTC, notice period. All those things are required, right? Then there is a requirement for ServiceNow IRM developers, and the location is Pan India. You can share your resume at careers@infobeans.com. Okay. Then this is a remote job opportunity in which they are looking for Selenium, WebDriver experience, Postman, API testing, manual plus automation testing, CI/CD, Agile. So what you need to do, you need to apply here at this email address. Okay, it's a remote QA opportunity, and a 5+ years of experience would be required here, right? Then there is a requirement for QA professionals. Again, the company name is DevSlane, and the role would be for QA engineer, manual testing. Location would be again remote, so you can apply here, right? Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, SDIT, and the location is Pune. The 5+ years of experience is required here, right? So you can apply for this particular opportunity. So required skill set is Selenium with Java, API testing, Cucumber, BDD, Jenkins and CI/CD, SQL, Jira, Azure DevOps, Agile methodology, test automation frameworks. All of these things are required. Location is Pune. Experience required is 5+ years. You can share your resume to this email address. Okay. Then there's a requirement for again QA engineer manual testing. The location is either Hyderabad or it is remote, right? That means if you are from Hyderabad, you can go to the office and work. If you are from outside Hyderabad, they are okay to hire on a remote basis as well. Work from home basis, work from anywhere basis, right? The experience required is 5 to 7 years. And you need to execute AI generated test scenarios, validate expected outcomes, perform manual verification of AI generated results, right? Identify false positives, false negatives, and inconsistencies, log defects, and provide actionable feedback to the engineering teams, retest resolved issues, and verify fixes. All of these things are required. Okay, you need to have 5 to 7 years of experience in testing, right? You should be good with problem solving, documentation. So, as a QA, if you want to really make your career in QA, documentation is must. If you have a good documentation, right, it would make your role easy, right? Because as a QA, you have to document the things. Maybe you have to document the test scenarios, you have to document the test results, you have to document the defects as well, right? Test plan, test strategy, all these documentation you should be good with, right? So if you're interested, you can share your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for Salesforce automation QA. Location is remote, experience is 5+ years, and the skill set required is Salesforce QA automation, robotic testing, right? Automation test script, Sales Cloud, Agent Force exposure, Salesforce architecture, right? These days there's a lot of demand of Salesforce, right? So if you can learn Salesforce, if you can get some domain knowledge about Salesforce, it would be very much useful for you. Okay, so you can share your updated resume at this email address. Right. So these are a few of the job requirements. Now, let me tell you about more requirement. Okay. So IITIL company is hiring for a tester who is having opportunity, who is having experience in manual and automation testing both. Location is remote. Experience required is 5+ years. So skill set required is manual and automation testing, Selenium, WebDriver, Postman. So as a part of responsibilities, they want you to perform manual testing, complete functional validation, design and execute automated test suites utilizing Selenium WebDriver, conduct backend validation and API testing using Postman tools, integrated integrate automated test scripts into CI/CD pipelines, right? These all things are required, and this is the email address wherein you can share your CV, right? So that's it for today's details. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, because every day you're getting these kind of job opportunities absolutely free of cost. We're not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe the channel, right? Thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more updates.